Eyes are dilated, pupils are wide. Rita's considering things she could hide. A blur in the kitchen, a scratch on the door. She hasn't touched the carpet, she wants some more. Tail is a wire, back is a bow. She's gathering velocity, here we go. Sofa, under the chair. I'm pretty sure she's currently floating in air. Climbing the curtains like a velvet vine. She's crossing every single sanity line. Spins like a top, jumps like a flea. Is she looking at the ceiling or is she looking at me? Done now, licked her paw. Rita's sleeping on the floor, heavy breathing.